Hey, welcome back to this part 3 video in determining which table represents a function. Here I'd like to go over a few more sample examples in determining function or not function. And then in the latter part of this video, I would like to go over the actual test question, and we can go over that together and determine which A, B, C, D, and E option is the table representing a function. There we go. I got that out. All right. So let's take a look here. In table A, remember X and Y. I have X is 1, Y is 2. X is 3, Y is 4. X is 1 again. It repeats. And my Y value is not 2. It's 3. So you can see here the Y values are different. Not a function. Let's take a look at B. X is 0, Y is negative 7. X is negative 3, Y is 4. X is 5, Y is 6. X is negative 3, Y is a negative 7. So because the negative 3 is repeated and the Y values are not exactly the same, right? You can have negative 3 over 4 and negative 3 over 4. If they just repeat it in the table, it's the same exact point. That's okay. It's still a function. But when you have negative 3 repeating in the x and the y values are different, not a function. Let's go ahead and take a look at C, example C. And we can see here. So for C, we have x is 3, y is negative 1, x is 5, y is negative 1. And that's okay. We have the same values for a negative 1, but the x values are different, and that's okay. That's okay. We have 3 for x, negative 2 for y, 8 for x, negative 1 for y. We have the same x value repeating with a different y value. That is not okay. So even if I messed this example problem up, which I think I may have, by the way, these are not they're not to scale. I'm just trying to show examples how if the x repeats and the y's are different values, not a function, right? Based upon that definition that was read earlier, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look here at D and then E. In D, you've got 6 and negative 12. 6 for x, negative 12 for y. Negative 2 for x, negative 4 for y. Oh, another 6 for x, but a different y value, 16. Another negative 2 for x, and a different y value, negative 8. Not a function, right? But here for E, you can see it's a function. We have 1 for x, 9 for y, 0 for x, 11 for y, negative 1 for x, 12 for y, negative 4 for x, 17 for y. This table, E, is a function. So let's go ahead and take a look at the test question example that you see here. And so we'll go over one at a time, right? Function or not a function. And so you can see here we have x is 1, y is 2. X is 3, y is 4. X is 1, but y is not 2. I'm just going to stop right there. Not a function. I'm crossing off A. I'm going to cross off A. Let's go take a look at B. Let's take a look at B. X is 0, y is 1. X is 2, y is 4. X is 5, y is 6. X is negative 3. Y is a negative 7. Do any of the x values repeat? No. My answer is going to be table B. That is a function. And quickly, let's take a look at some of these other tables. We see here for C, the 3 repeats in the x and the y values are different. For D, we can see the 6 and negative 2 repeat. The y's are different. And for E, we have a repeat of 1 and the y values are different. Not a function. Okay, so hopefully I'm hoping these videos have been helpful. And my tongue is getting a little twisted and tied up, as you can tell. But remember, hey, math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share these videos. Help me reach 100,000 followers. Oh, what a goal. That would be incredible. Your gifts, your stars, your donations are most appreciated. They will be used to continue to bring you more videos, upgrading my equipment, providing more continuous supplies, papers, pens, time on the Wi-Fi, upgraded high definition, non-shakeable camera. Thank you again. Math is easy. Hey, take it step by step. Thank you for joining me.